Hey guys, I have recently posted a video where I unboxed my Cartier Juste Clou, and I promised to you guys to compare Juste Clou and Love Bracelet, and in today's video I will do just that. By the way guys, if you like my content, please consider giving this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram. I will start with my most favorite bracelet, Cartier Love, that I bought earlier this year. I really like the fact that it's always on my wrist. I don't have to take it off. I think eventually I would like to add Cartier Love in white gold with diamonds because it's so beautiful, and wear both of them together. However, I just want to wear my Cartier Love in yellow gold for a bit longer to see how it holds up and if I still love it before I purchase a new one. My SA was so sweet. She helped me to put the scotch tape on the screws so I wouldn't scratch my bracelet when I take it off and put it back on. By the way, I never took it off. It's always on my wrist. I watched quite a few videos where YouTubers were saying that some of them had problems with the screws. A few times the bracelet would just drop, and I have to say I never had such problems. And maybe that's because I don't take it off. It's always on my wrist, like I said. I only had to tighten the screws once. You are supposed to do that when you purchase your bracelet. You have to keep checking the screws every couple of days within 1 month and tighten them if you have to. This screw over here just moved just a little bit, so I had to put it back in place. My camera doesn't focus. I had to move it just a bit. Other than that, I never had to tighten the screws at all. I have never sent this bracelet for cleaning, although I went to a store and my SA helped me to wipe it with some kind of fabric. It's called Jules Rough Cloth or something like that, and she helped me to remove all the scratches. It was incredible. I will try to find it online and purchase it. If I can remove the scratches with this fabric, it's perfect. I have to say I'm so happy I don't have to take it off and put it back on every morning because it just saves me so much time. I think if I will ever take it off, I will then bring it to Cartier and ask them to put it on me because I'm so paranoid with it myself. So this is how low it goes. You guys sometimes ask me because I got a size 16 and I think size 15 would have been here. But if I want to stack this bracelet, it's perfect because they will just look nice together. And sometimes at work, if I'm wearing a short sleeve and I'm very worried about scuffing this area on my table, I'll just move it higher. The reason why I purchased a size 16 is because it felt a lot more comfortable on my wrist and it just looks a little bit more feminine in my opinion. And if anything were to happen to it, I would definitely repurchase it in the same size, in a size bigger, size 16. So let's talk about pros and cons of this bracelet. So pros would be the fact that the cost per wear of it is so low. I never have to take it off. It's always on my wrist. I am someone who actually prefers to take off the jewelry the moment I come home. I take off my watch, my rings, my earrings, everything just gets removed but the bracelet. This bracelet is definitely the most used jewelry that I have. The design is so timeless. It's such a classic item, and I think if you keep it for a few years and you would want to sell it in a while, you probably can get your money back because of the price increase. There was a recent price increase in some countries, and yeah, if let's say I purchased it like 5 years ago and I decided to sell it, I could definitely recover what I paid for it. It's very convenient to wear. I don't really feel it on my wrist at all. Because of the flat surface of the Love bracelet, it feels so comfortable when I sleep at night. I don't even feel it on my wrist. I practically forget about the fact that I'm wearing it. I love the design. It's so timeless. It's been around for so many years and it's not going anywhere. People recognize it, and it's not like a fashionable item that you can wear for a few years, and in a few years it won't be trendy. And I also love the color of the gold. It's so beautiful. Cartier gold, yellow gold, it's so stunning. Another pro would be it's so easy to style this bracelet. You can wear it with so many bracelets and they don't have to be from Cartier. They look amazing with love. To me, love is like a base. I would always get love first and then try to get other ones to create a beautiful stack. I have recently posted a few videos when I went to VCA. I tried a few stunning bracelets like this onyx. It looks quite pretty. And I also purchased this bracelet with white mother of pearl. I will link down all the videos Cartier related or VCA in the description box below so you guys can check it out. Let me know what do you think about the stacks, if you like some of them and which one do you like the most. I also love the way it looks with my watch. It's really beautiful and I like to wear this stack the most with Juste Clou as well. It's my most favorite combination. Moving on to cons, and I think the first would be the price. The price is very expensive and Cartier has recently raised the price in certain countries and it's even more unaffordable. But I still love it and I would still repurchase it even at the new price. Another con for Cartier Love would be when you have to travel. In certain countries they would ask you to take all the jewelry off. I don't get it very often nowadays. I can't even keep my watch and everything. Nobody tells me anything anymore. But some countries still have this rule that you have to take off your jewelry. And I'm hoping that in a few years more countries will be more relaxed with Cartier Love bracelets and other jewelry. If you're someone who can't wear jewelry 24/7 or you prefer to rotate the metals, you don't like to mix them, this bracelet is not for you because you're not supposed to take it off because you will just loosen the screws. Here is the bracelet. It's so beautiful. It's in a size 15. Cartier Juste Clou should always be size smaller. If your Cartier Love is in a size 16, your Juste Clou should be a size smaller. I really love Juste Clou. It's so gorgeous. I bought this bracelet earlier this year in London in Heathrow Airport. Let's talk about pros and cons of this bracelet. It's so easy to take it off and put it on. You don't have to worry about losing it because it's quite secure, and I don't think anyone had any issues with Cartier Juste Clou. It's perfect. It's so easy to put it on. You just press this button over here. This is it. So easy to open. The design is so edgy and modern. I get so many compliments every time I wear this bracelet. Another pro would be the scratch resistance because I don't even see many scratches on this one. It looks really brand new. I don't know if my camera will show. The only areas where you can get the scratches is the nail area here if it's going to be rubbing with another bracelet, but it's not very visible. It's a lot more scratch resistant. You can still style it with so many bracelets. I will insert some images of me wearing it with different bracelets. It looks equally great and it looks great with my watch as well. And I prefer to wear my watch with Juste Clou more often just because it's so easy to put it on. And I also like to wear it with my VCA bracelet with white mother of pearl. I also tried on this bracelet with another Juste Clou in white gold with diamonds, which is so gorgeous. It also looks great with Juste Clou in a smaller version, the thinner version. It's really pretty. Moving on to cons, I think it's not as comfortable to sleep with it. Sometimes it can leave the mark on my wrist. When I wake up, I will have the mark from the nail head. I don't know why, although Cartier Juste Clou has been around for so much longer, but it's less popular. Some people don't even know that it's from Cartier. I sometimes get questions, which brand is it from? Another con would be the price of it. Cartier Juste Clou is so expensive. It's even more expensive than Love. And it's quite strange because actually Juste Clou doesn't even have the screw. Anyway, it is what it is, but I do like it quite a lot. I love them both. If I had to choose one, I would definitely go for Cartier Love first, and that's what I did. I still stand by it. I really love it. And Cartier Juste Clou was my second purchase. My advice would be see what you prefer, what is more your style. If you prefer the shape of Cartier Love or Juste Clou, what is more comfortable. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you found this video useful. To let me know if you have any questions, and do feel free to reach out to me on Instagram and subscribe to my channels. See you next time. Bye!